Peekaboo, says the mouse. Shoo, shoo. Peekaboo, says the owl. Peekaboo, says the chicken. Peekaboo went the lamb. Where's the duck? Peekaboo, says me. The end. Well, we're not supposed to think of some. But I'll read you 2 books. There's another book about you. There's another book. Ready? There's a doggy. Peekaboo, says the doggy. What's this? What's the kitty? There's the kitty cat. Peekaboo. That's Ribbit, Ribbit. Yeah, that's a ribbit. Ready? Where's the horse? There's the horse. You open the wing. No. Let me show you who this is. Peekaboo, says the parrot. Now turn the page. No. Ready? No, not yet. First, we're gonna do the fish. Peekaboo, says the fish. Now open that one. Peekaboo, says the guinea pig. Peekaboo, says me. Peekaboo, says the guinea pig. There's the whore. Let's see if I can find the dog. There's the dog. We first gotta find the dog. Yes! There's the dog. Yeah. Now we turn it off. The kitty and the frog. Here's the cat.
You say thank you, Eve, for reading me a book.
Yes, that's the frog.
Say thank you, Sissy. That was nice of you, Eve.